Have you ever looked at dry, cracked soil and thought nothing useful could grow there? Most people assume plants need constant watering to survive, but nature tells a very different story. Some of the toughest edible plants on Earth actually thrive in extreme heat, poor soil, and long periods without rain. And once established, many of them keep producing food year after year with almost no effort. Today, we're exploring 7 incredible plants that barely need watering and can feed you for years. These are true survival champions. Plants built to handle drought, neglect, and harsh conditions, while still providing edible leaves, fruits, roots, or seeds. Some have supported people in desert regions for centuries, while others are common plants most gardeners completely overlook. And here's the surprising part. Many of these plants actually prefer tough conditions. Too much water and attention can sometimes do more harm than good. So if you're tired of delicate crops that collapse in the heat, this list may completely change the way you think about gardening forever. 1. Purslane. Most gardeners spend years trying to remove purslane from their yards without realizing they're pulling out one of the most nutritious edible plants in the world. This humble ground-covering plant is often labeled a weed, yet it survives extreme drought, grows almost anywhere, and contains impressive levels of nutrients. Purslane is a master of survival. Its thick, succulent leaves store water efficiently, allowing it to remain green and productive during intense heat when many vegetables collapse. It thrives in poor soil, cracks in pavement, dry gardens, and neglected spaces where almost nothing else grows. One reason purslane survives so well is its unique photosynthesis system. It conserves moisture more effectively than most plants, opening pathways for growth even under brutal sunlight and limited water availability. In simple terms, it's built for harsh environments, and despite its tough nature, purslane is highly edible. The leaves and stems have a crisp texture with a slightly lemony flavor. They can be added to salads, soups, sandwiches, stir-fries, or smoothies. Some cultures even consider it a delicacy. Nutritionally, purslane is surprisingly powerful. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, and other valuable nutrients rarely found in common garden plants. Some researchers have even called it one of the most nutritious wild edible greens available. Another fascinating feature is how quickly it grows. Even small cuttings or dropped seeds can create new plants. Once established, purslane often reseeds itself naturally, returning year after year with almost no effort. Unlike fragile lettuce or spinach that bolt and die during heat waves, purslane continues spreading happily across dry soil. It laughs at conditions that destroy traditional leafy greens. Many survival gardeners intentionally cultivate purslane now, recognizing its incredible value. Instead of fighting nature, they allow this resilient edible plant to become a permanent low-maintenance food source. Sometimes the strongest plants aren't the ones sold in expensive garden centers. Sometimes they're the overlooked survivors quietly growing under our feet. 2. Prickly pear cactus. The prickly pear cactus may be one of the most valuable survival plants ever discovered. At first glance, it looks intimidating with its thick pads and sharp spines, but hidden inside this desert warrior is one of the most drought-resistant food sources on Earth. Once established, prickly pear can survive months without rain, baking under relentless sun while still producing edible pads and sweet fruits year after year. This cactus stores enormous amounts of water inside its fleshy pads, allowing it to thrive where most plants would instantly die. Its root system spreads wide across the soil surface, capturing even tiny traces of moisture from light rain or morning dew. In desert regions, people have relied on prickly pear for generations because it keeps producing food during harsh droughts when other crops completely fail. The young pads, often called no-pales, are edible and surprisingly nutritious. When properly cleaned and cooked, they have a mild flavor similar to green beans or asparagus. They're rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Meanwhile, the colorful fruits that appear later in the season are sweet, juicy, and packed with vitamin C. Some people eat them fresh, while others turn them into jams, syrups, candies, or drinks. What makes prickly pear especially remarkable is how little attention it needs. Once planted in well-draining soil with full sunlight, it mostly takes care of itself. Overwatering is actually one of the few ways to damage it. In many climates, natural rainfall alone is more than enough for mature plants. Another hidden advantage is resilience. Extreme heat doesn't bother it. Poor soil doesn't stop it. Even neglect often seems to make it stronger. While many garden crops demand constant watering schedules and careful monitoring, prickly pear quietly grows in the background like a living survival machine. For anyone interested in self-sufficiency or low-maintenance food gardening, this plant is almost impossible to ignore. It transforms dry, unusable land into a long-term food source with minimal effort. And once you realize how productive a cactus can actually be, you may never look at desert plants the same way again. 3. Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichokes, also known as sunchokes, are one of the easiest perennial food crops you can grow in dry conditions. Despite the name, they aren't related to artichokes at all. They're actually sunflower relatives that produce edible underground tubers packed with energy and nutrition. What makes them extraordinary is their toughness. Once planted, Jerusalem artichokes often continue growing for years with almost no maintenance. Their tall stems and deep roots help them tolerate drought far better than many traditional root vegetables. Unlike shallow-rooted crops that depend on constant watering, sunchokes dig deep into the earth in search of moisture. Even during hot summers, they usually remain productive long after other garden plants begin failing. And productivity is where they truly shine. A small planting can multiply rapidly, producing large harvests of edible tubers beneath the soil. In fact, many gardeners discover that once they plant Jerusalem artichokes, they never completely disappear again. The tubers themselves have a nutty, slightly sweet flavor. Some people roast them like potatoes, while others use them in soups, purees, or stir-fries. They're especially valued because they grow reliably with minimal human intervention. Another major advantage is cold tolerance. Jerusalem artichokes survive freezing winters underground and return aggressively in spring. This combination of drought tolerance and winter hardiness makes them one of the most resilient food crops available. They also grow in surprisingly poor soil. Heavy clay, sandy areas, and neglected land rarely stop them from spreading. As long as they receive sunlight, they usually find a way to thrive. In survival gardening communities, Jerusalem artichokes are often considered a plant once, harvest forever crop. And honestly, that description isn't far from reality. They're vigorous, adaptable, and incredibly difficult to kill. For people seeking reliable calories without constant watering or maintenance, few plants compete with the sheer determination of sunchokes. 4. Rosemary. Most people think of rosemary as nothing more than a kitchen herb, but this fragrant Mediterranean plant is actually one of the toughest edible perennials you can grow. In its native environment, rosemary survives under scorching sun, rocky soil, and long, dry seasons with almost no rainfall. Once mature, it can continue thriving for years with little to no supplemental watering. The secret lies in its structure. Rosemary's narrow, needle-like leaves are specially designed to reduce moisture loss. Unlike soft, leafy plants that quickly wilt in the heat, rosemary conserves water extremely efficiently. Its woody stems and deep roots help it endure drought conditions that would destroy more delicate herbs. But rosemary isn't just resilient, it's incredibly useful. The aromatic leaves can flavor meats, soups, roasted vegetables, breads, oils, and teas. Even a small bush can provide more rosemary than most families could use in months. And because it's evergreen in many climates, you can often harvest from it year-round. One of the most surprising things about rosemary is how much it dislikes excessive care. Constant watering can weaken the roots and even lead to rot. In fact, many gardeners accidentally kill rosemary by treating it like thirsty vegetables instead of the drought specialist it truly is. Once established in sunny, well-draining soil, rosemary often becomes almost completely self-sufficient. Rainfall alone is usually enough. During severe droughts, it may slow its growth slightly, but mature plants typically survive with remarkable ease. Beyond its culinary uses, rosemary also attracts pollinators when it blooms. Bees especially love its small purple flowers, making it beneficial for nearby gardens and fruit trees. Some gardeners even use rosemary hedges as natural barriers because the woody shrubs become dense and hardy over time. And perhaps the most impressive part is longevity. A healthy rosemary plant can live for decades. There are ancient rosemary bushes in Mediterranean regions that have survived for generations, with almost no human assistance. In a world where many food crops require endless watering and constant maintenance, rosemary feels almost rebellious. It asks for sunlight, dry soil, and space to grow, then quietly rewards you year after year. 5. Fig tree, The fig tree has been feeding humans since ancient times, and there's a reason civilizations treasured it for thousands of years. Figs are incredibly hardy, remarkably productive, and once established, surprisingly drought-tolerant. In fact, mature fig trees often thrive with little more than natural rainfall. Originally adapted to hot Mediterranean and Middle Eastern climates, fig trees developed deep root systems capable of reaching hidden underground moisture. While shallow-rooted plants struggle during dry weather, figs continue pushing downward in search of water reserves far below the surface. This survival strategy allows them to handle intense summer heat with extraordinary resilience. Even during long dry spells, many fig trees continue producing their sweet fruit while surrounding vegetation suffers. And the fruit itself is highly valuable. Fresh figs are rich, sweet, and nutrient-dense, packed with fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. They can be eaten fresh, dried for long-term storage, or turned into preserves and desserts. Historically, dried figs became an important survival food because they stored well and provided concentrated energy. One mature fig tree can produce enormous harvests each season. Some trees generate hundreds of figs annually with surprisingly little maintenance. Unlike thirsty fruit trees that demand regular irrigation, figs often become more drought-resistant as they age. Interestingly, too much water can actually reduce fruit quality. Excess irrigation sometimes leads to watery, bland figs with weaker sweetness. Slightly drier conditions often encourage richer flavor and better fruit concentration. Fig trees also adapt well to difficult soil. Rocky ground, sandy earth, and nutrient-poor areas rarely stop them. As long as drainage is good and sunlight is abundant, they usually find a way to survive. Another reason gardeners love figs is their resilience after neglect. Even if harsh winters or poor conditions damage the branches, many fig trees regrow aggressively from the base. Their determination to survive is part of what made them legendary throughout history. In ancient cultures, the fig tree symbolized abundance and endurance. And honestly, it's easy to understand why. Few plants offer such generous harvest while asking for so little in return. 6. Mulberry tree. Mulberry trees may be one of the most underrated food trees in the world. These fast-growing trees are astonishingly hardy, highly productive, and once established, extremely drought-tolerant. In many regions, old mulberry trees survive decades of neglect while still producing huge crops of sweet berries every single year. Their secret is adaptability. Mulberries develop extensive root systems that allow them to access deep soil moisture during dry periods. Mature trees can handle heat, poor soil, wind, and irregular rainfall far better than many delicate fruit species. And when harvest season arrives, the productivity can feel almost unbelievable. A healthy mulberry tree may produce pounds upon pounds of berries, often more than a family can eat fresh. The fruits resemble elongated blackberries and range from white to red to deep purple depending on the variety. The flavor is rich, sweet, and slightly tart. Mulberries can be eaten fresh, dried, baked into pies, turned into jams, or blended into drinks. Birds absolutely love them too, which is both a blessing and a challenge for gardeners. One remarkable feature is how little care mature mulberry trees require. In many climates, natural rainfall becomes enough after the first few years. Even during drought, established trees usually continue surviving with minimal stress. Mulberries also grow quickly compared to many fruit trees. Some begin producing within just a few years after planting. That combination of fast growth and drought tolerance makes them highly attractive for self-sufficient gardens. Historically, mulberry trees served multiple purposes beyond food. Their leaves fed silkworms, their wood was useful, and their shade provided relief in hot climates. Entire communities once depended on them. Another hidden advantage is resilience against pruning and damage. Even heavily cut back mulberries often regrow aggressively. They seem determined to survive almost anything. In a modern world filled with fragile, high-maintenance fruit crops, the mulberry tree stands out as a reminder of how powerful nature can be when a plant is truly adapted to hardship. 7. Moringa. If there's a plant that almost seems too good to be real, it might be moringa. Often called the miracle tree, moringa is famous for surviving extreme drought while producing highly nutritious edible leaves, pods, flowers, and seeds. Native to dry regions of Africa and Asia, moringa evolved to handle scorching temperatures and long periods without rain. Once established, it can continue growing rapidly even under difficult conditions that would devastate ordinary crops. One reason moringa survives so well is its deep taproot, which allows it to access underground moisture far below the surface. Its small leaves also help reduce water loss during intense heat. But what truly makes moringa extraordinary is its nutritional value. The leaves contain protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that have made the tree incredibly important in many parts of the world. Some people dry the leaves into powder, while others cook them fresh like spinach. The young seed pods are also edible and are sometimes called drumsticks because of their shape. They're commonly used in soups and traditional dishes. Even the seeds themselves have useful properties and can sometimes help filter water. Moringa grows astonishingly fast under warm conditions. In some climates, it can reach impressive heights within a single season. And despite this rapid growth, it remains remarkably drought-resistant. Another fascinating aspect is how easily moringa recovers from pruning. People often cut it back heavily to encourage fresh leaf production, and the tree responds with vigorous new growth. In survival and permaculture communities, moringa is often viewed as one of the ultimate resilience plants. It provides food, shade, biomass, and nutritional security while demanding very little water once established. Of course, no plant is completely invincible. Young seedlings of any species need some care early on while developing roots. But the plants on this list prove something important. A productive food garden doesn't always require endless watering, constant attention, or perfect conditions. In fact, some of the most powerful edible plants on Earth became strong, precisely because they learned to survive hardship. And maybe that's the real lesson hidden inside these drought-resistant plants. Nature rewards resilience. While fragile crops collapse under pressure, these survivors continue growing quietly through heat, drought, neglect, and difficult seasons. So the next time you think a dry piece of land is useless, remember this list. Because sometimes the toughest environments create the strongest plants, and the strongest plants can feed you for years with almost nothing in return.